All right, it's been a while since I've done the news and nonsense. These are random news articles around the web, all true, sometimes funny. So, yeah, let's have a few laughs. Well, this is literally happy news from Finland. Finland has been voted the world's happiest country, according to this article from the World Happiness Report 2023, published by the United Nations Sustainable Development Solutions Network. Whew, that's a mouthful. The report says that Finland continues to occupy the top spot for 6 years in a row, a score that is significantly ahead of all other countries, including the US of A. According to this report, or this senior director at the government, it's a skill that can be learned. Interesting. And the fact that they do not use Arch Linux there makes them very happy. All right, so this month is spring break around the world, and Chinese colleges are giving students a week-long spring break to fall in love. Don't they do that anyway? 9 colleges in China said they are giving students a week off to go fall in love in April. They've asked to keep travel diaries, film videos of their trips. Oh, not a good idea. Anyway, the new theme for these students' spring break comes as China faces plummeting birth and marriage rates, okay? So the school is saying basically to tell the students, go to love nature, love life, and enjoy. Love, walk out of the campus, get in touch with nature, and with your heart, feeling the beauty of spring. Sounds poetic. So yeah, go China and fall in love on spring break. Okay, who drinks Starbucks coffee? Starbucks customers are saying olive oil infused drinks have laxative properties. You'll run to it and from it. Starbucks customers are saying that their morning venti is causing them to run to the bathroom after they drink oleato coffee beverages infused with extra virgin olive oil. The coffee chain debuted the oleato beverages in Italy this February. This Reddit user says that caffeine is a stimulant for your bowels and oil a relaxant. So yeah, wonderful idea by Starbucks. Paper airplane designed by Boeing engineers breaks world distance record. Yeah, this paper airplane flew 289 feet 9 inches. That's about the size of an American football field. That's impressive, and I bet the tickets for that flight were cheap too. All right, so the headline story for this news and nonsense is Florida. I love Florida. A recent study leaves no doubt that Florida's fish have a drug problem. All right, so who's the supplier? Hey, Tony, you come to Florida, man, I'll get you a few loads for your tarpons and your bass, okay? Local researchers from Florida's FIU University, Florida International University, they've tested blood samples for 94. They tested blood samples for 94 pharmaceutical contaminants. Oh, man. 15 fish were caught around Tampa Bay that tested positive for a heart medication. Why? Yeah, so those of you who live in Florida, you may want to watch eating fish because this can't be good. And finally, in Vegas, a Wienermobile transforms into a wedding chapel in Las Vegas. The hot dog-shaped vehicle was parked outside the Little White Wedding Chapel in Vegas for the Wienermobile of Love event. I miss doing the live shows. I bet my guests could come up with a clean joke, but right now I cannot. The Wienermobile of Love event, of course it is.